A warm welcome to all. I am going to present about funding agencies for research in India. These are the list of funding agency in science: UGC, DPT, DST, ICMR. For engineering, ISRO, CPRI, Ministry of Non-Conventional Energy Source. For social science, Indian Council of Social Science Research, University Grant Commission. Let me see one by one. For university, UGC, they are funded by all the science and arts related areas. First one is Emeritus Scientist. It is for teachers with good publications. Yearly 100 fellowship for science, 100 fellowship for arts. Coming to the PDF, there are 4 type of PDF: women scientist, SC, ST, OBC, and Kothari. Qualification: PhD awarded person. Kothari fellowship, age and grant is different. Faculty Research Promotional Scheme, 3 level. First level for yearly level, assistant professor and scientist. Mid level for associate professor or senior scientist. Senior level for senior professors and principal scientist. All must have good publication for first 5 years. All India Council for Technical Education, they funded for admission their universities or college which are approved by AICTE. The fellowship for MTech, ME, MArch student, they are qualified in GATE and GPAT. And also girl who is outstanding in degree or diploma program. They also granted for international travel in a group who are participate in the international level competitions. They also give funded to SC/ST students for developing entrepreneur. They also funded for institute who giving extra support to SC/ST student for coaching like GATE, GMAT, GRE. CSIR, it is funded for industrial oriented science project. The fund is based on CSIR qualified person. Emeritus Scientist Scheme, it is similar to UGC. GN Ramachandra, gold medalist for excellent biological science and technology. Swanti Sonap, Patnagar, prize for science and technology. They are eligible in Indian scientists who are doing in research in India. Applied through their institute, head of the institute, with 5 years publication and contribution. Defense Research and Development Organization, they funded for defense related research work, state of art, weapon and equipment designing. Department of Atomic Energy, they funded for research in nuclear science and engineering related areas. Department of Biotechnology, they also funded for science, product oriented science. Department of Coal, they are funded for coal related research work as well as environmental safety related work. It's our duration 2 to 5 years. Department of Oceanal Development, they funded for all the marine based research in science and engineering. DST, it also support all science and engineering department. Science for DST, serve for engineering subject. These are the different area schemes available in DST. Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, they promote development and utilization of science in industrial program. ICMR, they give funded for in medical and health related science. Indian Meteorological Department funded to all the college or universities who are going to carry the research in meteorological and atmospheric science. Indian Space Research allowed to fund for university and college who are involving the space related research work. Ministry of Communication and Information, digital based communication including software and hardware related research work. Ministry of Environmental and Forestry, they funded for environmental related work in engineering and science projects. Food processing industries, this ministry funded for food processing includes from package, shelf life and processing. Ministry of Non-Conventional Energy, this is related to agricultural engineering or engineering related this area. Central Power Research Institute, they funded related power system based research. Ministry of Water Resource, they fund given to all the research related to irrigation. Others, Department of Education, Science and Technology, application for rural development, science and society related program, science and technology for weaker section, Indian National Science Academy also funded for research projects. Thank you.